Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Bremen clamp, the new Bremen clamp from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, this is a new clamp. It's made, well, it's branded by Bremen or Bremen. It says tough reinforced body, nylon body, quick release for easy conversion to spreader, or to spread, yeah, to spreader. 3 3/16 throat depth, so this way. Removable marine pads, keep work surfaces protective, and ergonomic grip enhances comfort and ease of use. I-beam construction prevents unwanted bend or flex pressure. It says over times 2 or 2 times clamping force. Lifetime guarantee, and then you got item number 64991. Yeah, this is one of the newer ones that they have. This is actually a very new item. This is the first time I saw it. I picked it up. I want to do a video for you guys. So you got 12-inch high-powered trigger clamp spreader. It says pistol grip with quick release for easy one-handed operation. Either you can spread it or you can use it as a compressing. Quickly converts from bar clamp to a spreader. Lifetime guarantee. It says 375-pound clamping force. It's just packaging. Alright, this is the clamp itself. Pretty much it's just like a regular clamp. You got the bar here, release it, you know. Oops. You press this and you can just move it back and forth. And then you got this too. I have an old light here. I can maybe clamp it down. Alright, as you see there, we already heard something plastic, some plastic noise there, but I'm not gonna squeeze it anymore because I'll probably end up breaking it. But yeah, that's, you know, it works pretty good. It does. This is rubber, by the way. See if I can release it. Like I said, just push this one and it'll just release. So very thick rubber. These are removable. You can remove them. But overall, I gotta say these are pretty high quality. I'll leave the rubber part in there because if you have something that you don't want to damage, you can always use this rubber. If you want to make this clamp into a spreader instead of a clamp, so what you do is just take it off here with this button. Obviously you press this button and release it, and then you bring this to the other side. Move this out of the way. You move this to the other side and then you press this button again. And then you just push it in, and it should just lock in there. Oops. Once it's locked in there, you pretty much can use this as a spreader, as you see there. You can put an item here, another item here, and then you can just spread it like that and clamp it out as a spreader. And that's how you use it. Me personally, I'm gonna use it more as a clamp, so I'm gonna, like I said, press this button, and then just you see that middle hole there. You stick it in there, and then there's just, you hear that click, and it'll as you see there, it's really solid. Once it's clamped, it's really solid. Doesn't really move. Everything's pretty much solid in there. And I gotta give it to Harbor Freight. They are bettering. They're pretty much having a lot of great tools, higher quality tools. This seems to be a lot higher quality than the previous clamps, the black clamps that they have. Everybody kept complaining about those breaking and stuff like that. Well, I got one here so I can compare it with you guys. So this is the Pittsburgh. What is this? Already had this. It's an 18-inch Pittsburgh spreader or clamp. Pretty much, it works the same way. You got, except this is on the other side. This is right here. This is right here. Me personally, I use these clamps for a long time already, and a lot of people have been complaining about these breaking and pretty much not, breaking as in the ratcheting part, not tightening up anymore. But if you guys see what the difference is, I'm not gonna go over this clamp because obviously this is a review. You see the difference. This is a much bigger clamp, much better quality. You got some nice orange and blue colors. This is all black and gray. Pretty simple. No brand here, only on the tag. The bar seems to be pretty much the same. On this one, you get a channel here. You get an in-depth channel. On this one, it's solid on both sides. And this rubber part, it's rubber on this one too. It's removable, but it's rubber. I mean, it's not gonna. It's normal. On the other clamps that we used to have, this used to be plastic. Other than that, I guess this one you twist it or unscrew it. Now you guys see how many steps you have to do to make this a spreader. And then that's how you take it off, I guess, on this one. Alright, we got the new Bremen clamp here. And then we have the Pittsburgh clamp here. Then we have a 4x4. So we're going to set the clamp about middle. About middle way there. Oh, it feels really solid. It does feel really good. You can even see how well this thing is. I'm actually pushing on this. Really good. I could barely see this moving. I don't know if you guys could see it. You can barely see it moving, and I'm putting moderate force in there. A lot of force in there. I'm not telling you guys how much force I'm putting, but I am leaning against it, and I'm a pretty big guy, so. The same 4x4 there. Feels a little bit less strong. You get a little bit more wobble in there. You guys can see. I did tighten up this really good. You guys can see a little bit of more of a play there. But other than that, this one works decently. So I would say if you want a better clamp, go with this one. This one's gonna be a much better clamp Feels a little bit more solid here on this plastic parts, on this plastic legs or arms. This one wobbles a little bit on this part, like it flexes. You could see it when it flexes. But it holds pretty good. I gotta say I'm really impressed with this clamp. Really great redesign by Harbor Freight. That's it. I just want to share this with you guys. If you guys have any more ideas how I can test this out, or you guys want to see another video, or how long it, or if it actually lasts long, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.